Hi, I'm Lisa Marie with Stamp with Lisa Marie, and I'm located in the Panhandle of Florida, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am offering a monthly stamp club. And so what I'm doing is it's $35 a month, and you're going to get 4 card kits, so all the supplies you need to make the cards. You're going to get $20 of product, and you're going to get a written PDF tutorial. You're going to get videos to go with so that you can see how I made the cards. You're going to be invited into an exclusive Facebook group, and we'll post some other things in there. You guys can post your finished cards and we can share, and there's also prize patrol every month, and so the more people that join the club, the more prizes I'll have. This month I gave out 4 prizes. I just announced them over in their Facebook group, so congratulations to all of them. I'm going to show you. So this is how your package will come, and they're always going to be different, and I'll always be a little surprised because I don't want to promise you something and then it go on back order and then I have to change it up. So, excuse me. So like this one has the 4 card kits are in here. There's a quarter pack of the red and green foil paper. This is the one that was for October. An entire bolt of ribbon, an entire package of adhesive snowflake embellishments, and then also an entire package of Stampin' Dimensionals, because if you've ever watched me, you totally know that I love them and I use them on everything, and I use a lot. And so, so those are all there. And like I said, plus I gave away Prize Patrol this morning. And it's just a really great time. You just sign up for it. You can stop anytime you want. If you do it 6 months in a row though, I'm gonna give you $25 in free product on me. That's my thank you for supporting me and trusting me to bring you some really awesome card kits every month. This is a great way for you to try other products, because maybe you don't want to buy a whole bolt of ribbon or a whole thing of sequins or whatever until you've tried them. So this way I'm sending you some things to try. And like with the papers, I'll try to do full packs when I can, but like when it's a 12 by 12, I'll cut them down to 6 by 6 and split them probably. That way you can try more things. I'm thinking in the future we're probably going to see like some of the foam adhesive backs are going to go in there. Those sheets that make things like you cut them through the machine, through our Stampin' Cut Emboss machine, and it attaches them to like a giant dimensional. It's really cool. But yeah, ribbon and embellishments, all those yummy things. Stamps will be additional add-ons. You can use what you have, or I will offer you a sweet discount, no tax, no shipping on the bundles if you order them at the time that you do your club, because then I can just put it all in one package for you. And right now, if you hop over to stampwithlisamarie.com is my blog, and in the middle of the page it says Monthly Stamp Club. And it's towards the top, down just a little tiny bit. If you click on there, you're going to see there's a sneak peek there for this October one that I was just talking about. We use the In the Pines bundle. If you can click on the button and go ahead and sign up now, even though it says October, I'll go in and change that. But anybody who signs up after the 20th of a month, so after the 20th of October, is for the following month. So if you sign up today, you'd be signing up for the November, which I can tell you, and I haven't told anybody yet, we're using the poinsettia place, and holy cow, it is gorgeous. I can't even tell you. I was not a fan of this set in the pictures in the catalog until I got it in my hands, and it is like 1,000 times more beautiful in person. So we're gonna use that, and we're gonna do 4 gorgeous cards and 1 surprise. So we already have it all planned out. We've already got our samples set up and we're ready to go. So we just got to get everybody signed up and we can get those ordered. So what I do is I take subscriptions sign up until the 20th, and then on the 21st I will order, and then I usually have it in a couple of days. I cut it, I prep it, I package it, and I get it right back out to you, and I invite you to the Facebook group, and I send your videos and your PDF and all that good stuff, and we do Prize Patrol, and it's just going to be a really good time. So if you're interested and you want to join me, I'd love to have you, and it's stampwithlisamarie.com. Thanks a bunch. Bye-bye.